queue management is available already. This is done a little bit differently. I now have managed call center supervisors on a group level. So in here, it is just a matter of selecting who my supervisors are. So if I do this, I'm now a call center supervisor. It doesn't ask you which queues you need to supervise. You are supervising every queue for that group. So that's something to be aware of. It's a little bit different to the way it works today. So you may have multiple queues that you don't need to be a supervisor for, or vice versa. So the way you deploy across multiple groups and things like that may just need to be a little bit different. But from that perspective, I now get, as a supervisor, I get a call center badge in here, and I can see all my agents' statuses. If I need to click on one of these, I can make you log into the queue. I can change statuses from this perspective. So that's how this is designed to work. So a supervisor can still change people's statuses at this time. In here as well, I do also get a bit of reporting as available to me. So I can view my queue stats, so number of calls, inbound, agent stats, so who's answered calls. All this is available through the supervisor console as well. And in here, they can schedule their own reports, create all the settings around what their service level agreement should be, or how many calls meant to be answered within what time frame, all those kind of settings. Nice one as well is abandoned calls. So if someone calls into a queue and hangs up before it gets too far, or before it gets answered, it gives you that functionality built out of the box as well. That's something to be aware of. It does by default report on the previous day. So if I need to look at today's, for instance, I just need to update this. So that is one thing to be aware of around some of these call stats. It's just the date that it's actually reporting upon. It may not be reporting on today, it may report on yesterday by default.